Toronto has large malls, shopping centers, and supermarkets. During our last visit to this city in 2019, we visited a few, and here are some images and videos taken. Eaton Centre is one of the largest shopping mall and office complex in Toronto downtown and is considered the busiest center in North America. Fortinos is a Canadian supermarket chain operating 23 stores in Greater Toronto and Hamilton area. It is part of Loblaw Companies Limited. The one we visited was on our way to Niagara, where we had our luncheon. Scandinavian chain selling ready-to-assemble furniture plus housewares in a warehouse-like space. Ikea has large number of outlets in Toronto. Do not miss their food at the cafeteria. It was just wonderful. Square One is a shopping mall located in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It is the second largest shopping center in Ontario and the third largest shopping center in Canada. Here are some images of the mall. Woodbine Centre is a shopping mall in the Rexdale area of Toronto and located across the Rexdale Boulevard from Woodbine racetracks in the former city of Etobicoke. Yorkdale Shopping Centre, or simply Yorkdale, is a large retail shopping centre in the North York district of Toronto. It opened in 1964 as the largest enclosed shopping mall in the world. Yorkdale is currently the third largest shopping mall in Canada by floor space and has the highest sales per unit area of any mall in Canada. York Village is a shopping mall in Toronto and located in the Yorkville community along Avenue Road north of Bloor Street. Share this video with your groups if you find it interesting and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting commentaries.